Good evening, my brothers and sisters out there in YouTube land. This is your advocate for justice, the Reverend Louis C. Nash, Sr. of Philadelphia. You can contact me at 215-518-4667, or you can reach me by email at Lewis, Lewis, Carry, Carry, Senior at yahoo.com. I'm sad to inform you that the lady who we have elected to office and the gentleman who was responsible to protect us and on the SEPTA station, neither one of those individuals uphold the law in which they took the oath of office to do. Let's start off with Risa Ferman. She declares that she empathized with the victims, yet she empathized with Joseph McNair killer, Darrell Simmons, the SEPTA police officer. If you go to WURD 900, Wake Up with Bill Anderson in the morning, and look on his streamlined video and view the McNair family, you will find out that Joseph McNair's killer was caught on voicemail. His testimony was fraudulent. There were great loopholes in it, but he has a protector, the district attorney of Montgomery Township, the great Risa Ferman, who said at 2 a.m. in the morning you want a professional to wake up with professional judgment, who would execute the law to the fullest extent. Well, Joseph McNair's constitutional rights was violated by Risa Ferman. Starting off with his first constitutional right was violated, his civil rights was violated, the Constitution First Amendment was violated, the Fourth Amendment was violated, the 13th Amendment was violated, the 14th Amendment was violated, the 15th Amendment was violated. Look them up, ladies and gentlemen. She did not uphold them, so therefore she should be removed from office according to the law that she accordingly said that she would uphold. Also, ladies and gentlemen, Darrell Simmons, the SEPTA cop of 22 years of experience, could be heard on this voicemail at NBC Philadelphia, Joseph McNair, CBS Philadelphia, Joseph McNair. You will hear the cast out tape and the voicemail tape of Joseph McNair begging Darrell Simmons for his life, as Darrell Simmons keep telling him about dogs. Ladies and gentlemen, look it up. Call me. Give me your opinion. This is your watchdog, YouTube pastor and activist, the Reverend Louis C. Nash. Please, ladies and gentlemen, look at the tapes. Look at the documentation that Darrell Simmons left, the paper trail that said that Joseph threatened him, that said that Joseph said that he would kill his family. You find none of this, ladies and gentlemen. I tell you again, this is no justice, and this man have never been arrested. He's a free man. And also his neighbor Kevin Rasnick, according to the law of Pennsylvania, any crime committed with a gun, the individual should be charged and locked up with an automatic 5 years. Well, ladies and gentlemen, Kevin Rasnick killed his dog in January, had his house searched in April, and then waved a gun in the public, then aimed it at Joseph McNair, cocked it back. Guess what Risa Ferman did with him also? Sent him home, ladies and gentlemen. Charged him, but Joseph McNair died. She threw the case out. What happened to the due process of law? What happened to the rule of law? Following the evidence and processing it to the fullest extent of the law without prejudice. Risa Ferman was prejudiced toward Joseph McNair because he had a past. And Darrell Simmons' wife is the pastor of one of the largest churches out there in Montgomery Township. Ladies and gentlemen, if this had been a regular cop in Philadelphia, he would be arrested, charged, and sentenced. Risa Ferman, do your duty that you uphold or get out of the office. This is the watchdog talking to you, and I ask you to reach out to Risa Ferman and ask her to give Joseph McNair due process of law. Thank you, and God bless you. And God bless the Constitution to be upheld by Risa Ferman.